Are we going through land bridge?
Oh no. Oh, wait.
Are you stuck up there?
Oh no, I'm stuck. I fucked up. I'm in the train car next to you. No, come back, come back, come back, come back, come back.
Yeah, I know. Oh. You went through somehow?
What have I done? Alright. I'm ninja. Why can't it be like Battlefield where I can crawl off things? Let me down, damn it!
You can't crawl off the ledges.
No.
Oh, that's right.
Alright, just a little tip for you. Don't lay down on the roof of this train car.
Okay. Go to the left
This
then
happens.
and try to... Oh, you can't even... You can't crawl off.
Train car got you killed, now it's getting me killed. You can actually get... Hang on. This is fucking pathetic. Hate this. Oh wait, I'm almost off. No, I'm not. I'm inside myself. I can see my legs while I'm turning around.
What the fuck are you doing? Your like arms disappeared.
On my screen, I'm like inside my waist, but I can still turn.
I'm almost there with you.
Anyway, we should probably watch out for people. No one will ever see me here.
I could just...
There's a way out of this.
I could just leave you here and give you my shotgun and anyone that walks by.
Except I'll lose an M4 when I die.
Oh, I'll tell
Ammo.
you.
Oh, you're just gonna leave me here.
Yep. Oh. Our first contestant.
Is that at us?
No, it was inside the red building. That's at us.
Well,
Good
don't
luck.
stand there. Run away somewhere.
Good luck.
Please don't die. It's only a 133. Don't you die to that. I'll help. He's running. Right side. I think I legged him. He's over near the red door. Most likely.
Should I not get myself killed?
Yeah, wouldn't be the ideal situation. What's up? Yeah, sure, I'll... Oh! That's hitting the wall next to me. Ah, this is scary! That better not kill me, I swear to God. He's dead. That was a scav player.
No, PMC.
That's a scav town.
It was a USEC though.
That was a scav sound. Shoot myself in the leg. That's so cool. It's not killing me either. Instead, there's just blood everywhere.
Oh.
I hear movement in a bush.
You're totally right. Okay.
It was a scav?
The lighting definitely made it look like it was a USEC.
Oh.
Thought it was a
Are
guy.
you walking at a bush?
Yeah, that's where he died.
Because I can hear bush sounds.
Yeah, it was me. That's where he died.
Where the fuck was that from? You
From,
right?
bridge.
You good?
Yeah.
Don't peek, don't peek, don't peek. Let him come to you, because he won't know that I'm here, so if you're sitting in there, I can see him.
Yeah, go throw the nade in here.
More than one, stop. Yep, yep, yep.
How do we play this?
Carefully.
We're gonna get naded, that's gonna be our demise here.
He's at the truck, I can't get a shot on him. It's like an inch. He's at the front of the truck. Alright, I'm gonna watch the other guy, you watch him. The other guy's shooting him.
I think I killed that
Yeah,
one. Is he dead?
kill the other one.
Okay. I think I killed that one by the truck there.
Yep, well I've killed the other one. We should be safe to go out. There's just blood all over this fucking wall next to me.
Fucking killing people while you're stuck in a train car.
Yeah.
We're just like squad wiping people. We killed 2 groups now. Where was that second one?
If you look out this other door, look out the other door. To the right side, there's a ramp over there, next to the little building. See the ramp over there? Over there.
I mean, it's not like he's gonna have anything good other than
Pretty. Might have nades. Always to keep room to carry my M4 and ammo.
Of course he would.
Kind of mine.
So I can't loot on that. Alright, buddy. It's for the AK. Hope your buddy has a good fort. Just fine.
You can have mine. It's on 51.6.
54.
The funny thing is, I was getting shot that whole time and I couldn't die. I think I'm invincible here. Both of them shot me in the head. My helmet is on 39 out of 40.
It's probably because it thinks your body's above the box.
I wonder what happens if I alt F4.
I
Might
guess
put my
that
gear
would be the
away
way to do
if I
it.
do that.
But, all that flooring has just deleted gear before.
You what, sorry?
Alt F4 does delete gear too. So.
Oh.
What's up with all
Well-
these contacts? Why do people use these?
I don't know. I've got one on. I gave you one.
Yeah,
But I got off
have
the
one,
guy.
have
I was
another one in
scared.
the bag. Unless they fixed it so they work now. I don't see the point in them.
Doubt it. There hasn't been an update, so they can't work.
Right?
They're not server side, they're client side.
Have we just been killing the same group for like the past however many customs runs?
Like 3 hours.
And he has a knife in his
Possible.
backpack.
Casually.
I think these guys are a little bit new. Just grabbing slippers,
You're
bars,
right.
and knives. Let's do it.
My bag is on the ground below me. I'll drop my helmet and armor as well if you want that. Now I'm gonna throw a nade at myself.
No, Alt F4. Oh, okay.
What?
Just Alt F4 and then it might make you like start standing.
Alright, hang on.
Because I know it brings you to a standing team. Oh, is that a nade?
Yeah, there were 2.
Oh, I thought you threw it.
I dropped them for you. I didn't
Okay.
throw them, you
I
idiot.
thought you threw it. Scared the shit out of me.
No. In the red building,
Yeah.
I killed his buddy. That was the one that I killed. Because remember he ran past over to the red door and then out to the train. And that's where he started shooting you.
Oh, I did kill one. Okay, so he's dead. One of them's dead here.
Which is the one you killed.
Yeah, I didn't think I killed him because he had armor.
Alright.
Which was one of the guys that
Yeah, I didn't get in.
no luck.
I will try as a scout though. Probably already too late though. Is my body just sitting there?
Yeah, you're just laying there. It'll still count though.
Yeah, no.
There's a dead scav camper here. Extracting.
Alright.